Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today's class is to help you feel calm on your busiest days. So roll out your mat and let's get started. Close your eyes or have a soft gaze on a point. Take one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Breathe in, allow the breath to flow all the way down to your belly. Breathing out, allowing your shoulders to drop. Breathe in again. This time as you breathe out, just feel yourself letting go of anything no longer serving you. Breathe in again. As you breathe out, just feel yourself becoming more present. Allowing your hands to relax on your lap or on your knees. Gently opening your eyes if your eyes are closed. Let's do some shoulder rotations. Breathing in as you come back, breathing out, coming forward, breathing in, breathing out. Do a couple of those, taking your time, no need to rush. Let's do the other side, breathing in, coming forward this time, breathing out as you come back. Breathe in, coming forward, breathe out again. Take your time, no need to rush. One more. Let's do some neck rotations now. So breathing in, coming forward, ear to shoulder, breathing out as you come back. Breathing in, ear to shoulder, and then coming forward. Let's do a couple of those. Taking your time, no need to rush. One more circle, and then coming to the center. Let's do the other side. So breathing in, coming forward, taking ear to shoulder, breathing out as you come back. Breathing in, ear to shoulder, and breathing out. Do a couple of those. Take your time. Feel the tension releasing, letting go. One more rotation. And then head comes to center. Let's come on all fours. Spread your fingers, spread your toes, come up. Take one foot in front, the other foot in front. Place your hands on your knees or your thighs, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, curving your spine, looking down. One more, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine, just let go and come down. Come as far as you can. You don't need to come all the way down. Just let yourself hang. You might want to bring your hands to your elbows. Breathe in deeply, breathe out, and then coming up slowly. And as you breathe in, stretch up, and you're just going to come back. Bring your hands to your heart center. Taking your legs wide, stretching your arms out, opening up, breathing deeply, and as you breathe out, coming forward, bringing your arms forward as well, breathing in, coming back, breathing out, coming forward. And as you're moving, just feel this gentle flow. Breathe in, come forward. And then we're just going to do a side stretch. So bring your feet together and just breathing in and just coming to one side. Maybe taking your hand to the ear. Just a gentle push down so you feel a lovely stretch on your neck and your shoulders. Releasing that, let's do the other side. Going down with the arm as far as you can, and then taking the hand to the ear, just feeling a lovely stretch. And then coming up to center. Remember to do your breathing deeply, allowing the breath to go all the way to your belly, allowing the oxygen to nourish your organs, relax the mind and your body. So let's breathe in again and stretch up. Hands together, coming back. Bringing hands to knees, widen your legs, and breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down. And then you're just going to hang again. And then what we're going to do is just take opposite hand to opposite foot. Now if you're not able to do that, maybe take it to the knee. And we're just going to lift up the other arm. Feeling a lovely stretch here. And then come down. Let's take the other hand to the ankle, shin or knee and stretch up. Let's do that again. See if you can go a bit further. Breathing in, take hands up. Breathing out, let's go over to the other side. We're just swaying from side to side. See if you can go a bit further. We're going to do one more. And stretch up. And then coming up, stretch up again. Stretching is wonderful for opening up. And then taking hands to your chest. Let's come to seated now. Close your eyes or have a soft gaze on a point. For your mind becoming a little quieter, the body feeling a bit relaxed and energized as well as you've moved the body. Just checking in with yourself. Meditation allows you to check in with you to see what's going on. Breathing deeply allows you to just let go of anything not serving you. So just check in with yourself. Breathe deeply to let go of anything not working for you, not serving you. Just feel yourself being more present to here and now. Take one more breath. And then gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. When you're feeling that life is busy, just come back to your breath. Notice the calm that comes within your mind and your body. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Do share this class with anyone who could do with some calm in their life, especially on their busiest days. I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.